Why am I looking at euro pound at the moment? First off, let's start with the why. Why am I interested? Well, I can see from the currency strength meter that the euro is getting weaker at -4 and the pound has climbed to +1. So we're seeing the pound gain strength, euro weaken. We've also got some Bank of England announcements coming up this week, which could see the Bank of England hold rates at a higher interest rate for a longer period of time. Pound could get stronger off the back of that, and I like the look of the technicals here. If we're on the weekly chart here on euro pound, we can see we came up to the 0 spot 8700 level and created a rejection wick on this weekly time frame. Last week we've had a very strong bearish close, so I'm looking to see if that momentum can continue into this week and drive prices down towards the 0 spot 85.50 and below, including these recent lows that formed back in December. If we go down to our lower time frames then, so let's go to a daily time frame. Again, we can see price creating those bearish candlesticks. What we should see develop here is a 4-hour downward trend. So if we go on to the 4-hour time frame, I can see that the price is making lower lows and lower highs in line with what I would expect to see in trend. In trending conditions, if the market breaks through a new low, that low can sometimes act as resistance. You've almost got this zone between the previous low and the high that if price comes into that, gives us a potential opportunity, then we could see a continuation of price at that particular point. What I can see here is the fact that the market has made lower lows, lower highs. This is the zone that I'm talking about, where price has created a new low. It's come back into that. If I go into the hourly chart at this current moment in time, I can see that price is respecting the 50 MA for a couple of rejections in here. So this could be a sign that sellers are getting involved in the market again, which could obviously lead to price continuing to push to the downside here. If the market obviously continues higher, breaches the 50 MA, maybe the momentum is starting to fade here and price could start pushing back to the upside. However, we could expect to see a move up towards that 86.40 and also rejection in and around that area as well. But what I'm looking at here is a potential swing opportunity. We've got the 4-hour level of resistance. Can price come back down in towards these key swing lows around about that 0 spot 85.60 to 0 spot 85.50 for euro pound?